This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 30 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, in which the scale of E major is extended to 3 octaves. You have already learnt this scale for 2 octaves, so this lesson deals with the 3rd octave, taking you into the 3rd register. The worksheet provides exercises to help you with tricky fingerings, and it is important that you follow all the instructions meticulously. This video will not cover all that is required by itself. So far, you have played 3 notes in the 3rd register in your scales and arpeggios: C sharp, D and E flat. In E major, you need to think of the E flat fingering as D sharp. E natural is derived from the fingerings for C in the bottom register and G in the 2nd register. As with D and D sharp, you will probably need to use the usual right hand 5th finger key to help with tuning. The movement from C sharp to D sharp is quite tricky and needs to be practiced carefully to obtain smoothness. Exercise 53 will help you with this. I'll play the top octave of the E major scale slowly so that you can see all the fingerings. In lesson 30, the scale for 3 octaves is written in semiquavers or 16th notes in 3/8 time. In other words, in half beats in triple time. You can think of the notes in 4s or 3s, but this seems to flow nicely. Here are the scale and arpeggio of E major for 3 octaves. There is quite a lot to do in each day of Practice Plan 30, but be sure to complete this fully before moving on to Lesson 31.